Today, we're introducing one of the most common functional movements, the squat. We use squats when we're bending and lifting, picking up groceries or luggage or children, when we're sitting on the couch, getting up, sitting on the toilet and getting up. We use it a lot throughout our everyday life, and knowing this movement is going to help you perform these things without injuring yourself, particularly injuring your back. So, to get into our squat position, I'm going to stand with my feet just a little bit wider than shoulder width apart, okay? My toes are slightly turned outwards. I'm going to engage my core, so just like we learned in our last module, bracing those abs, drawing belly button towards the spine. That's going to protect my spine throughout the movement, okay? I'm going to initiate the movement by sitting back just as if I'm going to sit in a chair and bending at the knees while keeping my chest up. So sitting back, back, back. Weight is in the hips. You feel the weight in the heels, gently pressing the knees outwards, okay? Chest stays up, and then I'm going to drive up. Okay, so one more time, I'm sitting back into the hips, bending at the knees, core stays engaged, chest stays up, gently pushing the knees outwards. Okay, and then drive up through the feet. So I'll show you from the side. So my feet are just a little wider than shoulder width apart, toes are slightly turned out, core is engaged. I'm going to sit back into my hips and heels, keeping the chest up, keeping my core engaged. I'm going to aim to come down until my thighs are about parallel with the floor. Okay, if you can't quite get this far and you're maybe only here, that's okay. The goal is to eventually get here. If you can go a little lower, great. Okay, we're going to keep core engaged, drive up through the feet, come back to standing. So notice how while I'm sitting back, my weight stays in my heels, so my heels do not lift off the floor. Okay, and I'm gently using my abductors. Those are your outer glute muscles, those muscles that move your legs away from your hips. So I'm using my abductors to gently push my knees outwards as I come into the squat position. So again, really important movement to know throughout your everyday life when you're bending and lifting, even when you're sitting and standing, like I said, getting up from the toilet, anything like that. And it's going to help you avoid bending forward and picking something up and putting any unnecessary pressure and possibly injury in your lower back.